been slipping again.
He would grow up
You a
thinking
joker or
nothing
something?
but a hoodlum, or either in jail, or someone would shoot him. But now he's grown up to their surprise. Big Daddy got a hit record selling worldwide. Now the same people that didn't like him at the job say, "Can I borrow a dollar?" Ooh, you're a star now. They call the baby. They call the baby. They call the baby. They call the baby. Now I got a cousin by the name of Vaughn Lee, better known to y'all as Kamasa Kufi. He cuts, scratch, transforms with finesse and all that mess. I remember when he first started to rock and tried to hit his job at a record shop. He was in it to win it.
Only people holding a valid pilot's license may enter.
You look familiar.
Aztecas run, no familia.
You fools have them lyrics memorized. You hear me? That's what they should be teaching in school instead of all this nonsense about evolution. We came from the stars, especially me. I'm like a comet. Although I did know a girl who was in the media showers. Forthright MC don't play that way. But I do play more classic hip-hop coming up.
They call the baby.
I'm the Godfather.
Your home is your castle, and like most castles, there's always the worrisome less fortunate trying to storm the gates. No longer. At Executive Intruder Extermination Service, we'll ensure that you'll live in a fortress and live your life worry-free.
With my vindictive and backstabbing personality, I always knew I'd be successful, but there's a price to pay. Money gives me freedom. Freedom to be scared of things that normal people don't have to worry about. When it comes to people trying to get a buck off me or come knocking, I turn to outside help.
Your home will be surrounded by only the best security equipment. Razor wire, double means, landmines, night vision, and motion sensors. And if a stranger or unwanted relative should make it inside, all of your doors will be wired with bombs.
But what about when my children need to go to school?
Your children...
Fools messed up